Hey everybody, I'm back. This is Robin Wood, and I just got the new Pixel 7 Pro, and I am loving it. And I got it specifically for the camera. We did the unboxing. You guys saw me do some of the working with the camera, things like that. And then I ran into this problem literally less than 2 hours later. Since then, I have been putting on screen protectors and things like that. There's some interesting stuff there, but we're not going to ignore that for now. Let's look at what's going on. So here's my Pixel 7 Pro. I'm at the home screen. I'm going to click on the camera button. Instantly disappears. I'm going to click on it again. Camera keeps stopping. I can go to, let's go to app info. I'm going to force stop. It says it may misbehave. Okay, don't care. Currently not working. That couldn't be more misbehaving than that. Let's open it up. Nothing. Open it again. Nothing. I'm going to disable. We're going to disable the app. Nothing. We're going to enable. Open it again. Nothing. Okay. So what I found is if you want to fix this, it's all was going really well, and you need to go to the Google Play Store. So let's hit Play Store, and we're on it. See if everybody can see that. I'll say not now. Let's type in Google Camera. Google Camera. I'll just type in Google Camera regular. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to bring this up close, and well, we'll see if we can see. Man, still can't quite see. Okay, hopefully we can see that. Google Camera, we're going to update it. And from what I found out looking all over the web is that